right, everybody. I know I'm just chilling today, and I just wanted to come on and let everybody know why I'm rebranding my channel. First things first, why am I changing? Why am I rebranding? First of all, my channel name is Lock with Key, or it was Lock with Key. I love that name. I think it was very creative. However, when people go to look up Locked with Key, y'all, they was literally getting keys going into doors. Those were the videos they were getting. My channel was not popping up. It was not populating high enough for people to find my channel. So that is problematic. Like, nobody could find my channel. So that was problem number one. Problem number two, I was all over the place. I really felt like my content was good content, but it was all over the place. I really felt like my subscribers didn't know what they were gonna get next. And I kind of felt like myself, I was all over the place. I loved what I was doing, but it was just like not clear about what I was going to be doing next. I'm sorry, y'all, if that makes sense. And it was hard to be authentic to my brand because I was all over the place. So I had to sit and think about, why did I start this channel in the first place? I started this channel because I love to inspire and motivate women. And a lot of my friends, they always come to me about feminine advice, when it comes to hygiene, when it comes to decor, recipes, all that type of jazz. Like, my friends are always reaching out to me about that. So I was like, let me come up with a channel about that. Not that I didn't want my friends to reach out to me anymore. It was just the whole fact that I'm like, I wanted a place for all women to go to get these, this little pieces of advice. So I decided to change it because I want everyone to know that everything that I do and everything I put up is with love. So therefore, I don't know if anyone knows, but my real name is Lakia. And so I always know that I want to end my channel name with Key. It started with an L to play off Lakia. So I decided to change my name to Love, Key, like you end the letter Love Key. I was going to change it to With Love Key, but I'm like, no, I want to stay with the L at the front. So Love, Key. So I decided to stay with the L at the front. And I just want a way to show that everything that I do is like a love letter to a woman out there that's struggling with self-love, femininity, taking a leap of faith, struggling with decor, anything. I want you to be able to find it here. I want this to be your one-stop shop here. So yeah, that's why I decided to go ahead and change my brand. So my subs are now going to be called my lovies. Yeah, my lovies. And my channel is called Love Key, but you will still hear me say Locked with Key, because locked means tuned in, quote unquote. Yeah, kind of made that up, but yeah. So yeah, I just think Love Key, well, it just flows better. And if you would like to subscribe to my channel, you see that red button down below. It says subscribe. If you click on that, you can subscribe. If you don't have a YouTube channel, you can still subscribe. All you have to do is log in with your Google. And if you have more than one Google, let me tell you a little secret. You can subscribe more than once. Yes, baby. So go ahead and make sure you subscribe down below. click that notification bell for future content and to see future content. And go ahead and head over to my Instagram, which is Loved by Key, and it is going to be most likely down here. So you can go there and look for inspirational quotes. It'll also have inspiring pictures and tips and tricks, which a lot of those tips are going to become YouTube content. So go ahead and get a head start on that. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. I couldn't get it out. And after you give it a thumbs up, I just want to let you know what type of content I am going to be doing. It's still going to be around about the same. However, I want to do more self-love videos. And the reason why I want to do a lot of self-love videos is because I had a group called No Excuses, and we were an accountability group. And together we used to do a lot of self-love and self-reflection, and it was just awesome. It really was awesome. And I would like to promote a lot of self-love tips, tricks, a lot of journal prompts, so that we can all build and work together and do this thing, get this thing. That I'm just saying, we can all be successful. There is room for everybody out there to win. Female, male, whatever you are, whoever you are, you can win. So go ahead, make sure you subscribe, click that notification bell. And again, I'm always going to say this, make sure you stay safe, sane, and sanitized. Remember, faith makes things possible, not easy. Luke 1:37. And again, love,